Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your name on Heyday. To change your name on Heyday, you will need to go ahead and do it via Supercell ID. First of all, launch open your Heyday application on your device, and once you are inside this screen, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on the Connected button right next to Supercell ID at the top. Now, click on the Gear button at the top left, and then click the Change button right next to the ID option. You will then see an option to change your Supercell ID name. Go ahead and erase your current one and type in a new name of your preference. Once done, click the Continue button. You can change your username on Supercell ID once every 30 days. After 30 days, you can update it again if you wish. So that is how you can easily change your username or your name on Heyday. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again with the next video. Thanks for watching.